I want to show you how you can extract here email from your profile. I'm going to click on Profile Email Extractor. I'm going to scan for friends. Okay, I'm going to switch the account here. I choose this one. Profile Email Extractor. I'm going to scan for friends, and from friends of my friends, I'm going to click on OK. And you will see what happens. If you have friends, many friends that are on your niche that you want to promote your stuff to, and also if you know your friends are friends with the same interest, then you have a huge list. See, now I'm getting the result, waiting until, okay, results, you see, 2088. Okay, and here we see now 2949 and 3712. So because I have many friends, of course, okay, so I continue to retrieve results. Here we have 4230. So I'm going on to 4638 and so on. So I continue to retrieve information from my users, from my friends, and from their friends. I have stopped now at more than 4,000, more than 7,000, almost 8,000, and I've downloaded. I click on download and get here all my users, as you can see here. Okay, I have email address and I have the telephone number. So this is an amazing power, because I get the information of all the users and I can input their email address into my email marketing tool.